I'm Anil Kumar, and here is last minute solution of question number 18, page 106 for my students. Now you have your test tomorrow on this topic, and I hope you have done good practice. Here is one of those last questions which you asked for. The question here is, show that the tangent to the curve y equals to x squared plus x minus 2 whole cube plus 3 at the point 1, 3 is also tangent to the curve at another point, right? So this is what you need to show. So the strategy here is find the slope of the curve, the slope on this curve at point 1, 3, and then get equation of tangent line. Once you get equation of tangent line, check if that equation intersects this curve at some other point or not, right? So let's begin by finding slope. So y equals to x squared plus x minus 2 whole cube plus 3 is the given equation. Derivative gives us the slope, which is power 3. So we'll use a power rule, which is x squared plus x minus 2, power will be 2, times the derivative of inside function, which is 2x plus 1, derivative of 3 is 0. Let us find slope at x equals to 1. That means y dash at x equals to 1. So substitute 1 here, so we get 3 times 1 plus 1 minus 2 whole square times 2 times 1 is 1 plus 1, right? Now that gives you 1 plus 1 minus 2 is 0, 0 square is 0, anything times 0 is 0. So the slope of the tangent line at x equals to 1 is 0. So what is the equation of the line? So if the slope m at x equals to 1 equals to 0, in that case equation of the line will be y equals to the y value, right? You could also say y equals to mx plus b. Since m is 0 and the point is 1, 3, we can just substitute those values, 3 for y, slope 0, 1 for x plus b, and that gives you b equals to 3. So we can say equation of tangent line is y equals to 3 at the point P, let us say P, let's call this point P, 1, 3, right? So that is the equation of tangent line. Now let's look into the second part, that this is also tangent to the curve at another point, right? So when we say also tangent, first let us find whether it cuts or touches the curve or not. So we'll try to find point common to both curve and y equals to 3, right? Common means that value should be same, right? So let's equate these values and find the x value where they could be common. So we get 3 equals to x squared plus x minus 2 whole cube plus 3. Solving, take away 3, we get 0 equals to x squared plus x minus 2 whole cube. We can take cube root, so we get 0 equals to x squared plus x minus 2. Now you can factor this. So we need product of minus 2, sum of plus 1, so x plus 2 times x minus 1. So that gives you two values of x. One is x equals to minus 2. The other one is x equals to 1. So we know that the tangent will cut across this curve at these 2 points also. At 1 we have already got 1 point. So P at 1 we know the point is 1, 3. So that we are very clear of, that this point is already taken care of. Now since this line touches or cuts across, we are not sure whether it's tangent or not at x equals to minus 2. Let's figure it out. We know slope y dash is given by this expression. So let's find y dash at x equals to minus 2. So if I substitute minus 2 here, I get 3 times minus 2 squared plus minus 2 whole square dot 2 times minus 2 plus 1. Now we know this factor is 0, right? So 4 plus minus 2 is 0. So this is indeed 0. That means at the point x equals to minus 2, the function and this tangent line are touching at just one point. They are tangent to one another since the slope is 0, right? So the another point is when x is minus 2. So let's substitute minus 2 here and find the value of y. So y, we know this is 0. Y value is 3, right? So y value at, I should say, y equals to 3, right? Y equals to 3 touches. And we found is tangent, right, to the given function, right? To the given function, correct? And of course, since the line is y equals to 3, the other point is, so our answer is, the other point is minus 2, 3, right? Since y equals to 3 is your line, so at every point, y value is 3, right? So the other point is minus 2, 3, where the tangent to the curve at 1 is also tangent to the curve, right? So that is how you should be answering this. I hope it helps. Thank you.